How to get rid of the smell of mothballs in your clothing. Mothballs have a strong aroma that is synonymous with storage. They are usually either made of naphthalene or peridichlorobenzene, which emit a poisonous vapor that kills or repels insects in addition to moths and their larvae. While the effectiveness of these gases have made mothballs a popular choice for safeguarding clothes stored in between seasons, their disagreeable aroma usually clings onto clothing for a longer period of time than you want. A little DIY know-how and some persistent work will help get rid of the mothball smell more rapidly. For clothing that can be washed and dried at home, here are a few simple methods to get rid of the mothball scent. 1. Vinegar. The smell of mothballs is another common household odor problem that vinegar is a go-to remedy for. If you have fragile garments that can't be put in the washing machine, try soaking them in a basin with 1 part vinegar to 8 parts warm water. After letting them rest for an hour, gently rinse them with clean water, and then let them air dry. Make sure to use white vinegar to avoid any stains. For garments that can be washed in a machine, add 1 cup of vinegar to a normal wash cycle. Then, wash a second time as you normally would with laundry detergent. The scent of mothballs should be gone once the clothing has gone through both cycles. Repeat the procedure if you still smell a persistent odor. Make sure the mothball scent is completely gone before letting clothes air dry or go through the dryer. 2. Baking soda. Many people make it a habit to keep a box of baking soda in the refrigerator to eliminate any odors there. Your seasonally stored clothes can also benefit from baking soda's odor-absorbent qualities. Add a cup of baking soda along with your regular quantity of detergent to your washing machine to get rid of the mothball odor. You can also soak clothing in a basin or sink with a cup of baking soda to get a similar result. Repeat the process as necessary for any persistent odor. Just like with the vinegar method, make sure the odor is gone before allowing the clothes to dry. 3. Cedar chips. The fragrance of cedar is refreshing, yet strong enough to get rid of the scent of mothballs. Cedar chips can also protect garments from insects as well. Store any mothball-scented clothing for a few days in a container that can be sealed with a handful of cedar chips. This method is very useful in situations when odors are persistent despite repeated washings. 4. Activated charcoal. Another extremely absorbent product that can aid in eliminating the mothball scent is activated charcoal. Hang activated charcoal sachets in your closet or put in your dresser drawers to get rid of that mothball scent. If the drawbacks of using mothballs start to outweigh the advantages or you just can't put up with the smell any longer, here are some alternatives for you to try. Essential oils are a popular and natural approach to stop insects from destroying your clothing. You can actually treat the interior of your dresser drawers or storage containers with essential oils, such as lavender. Whole botanicals can also be used to create homemade sachets. For instance, rosemary, cloves, cinnamon sticks, and lavender flowers all work well as insect repellents. They also leave a pleasant scent that you won't notice when you pull your garments out of storage. Don't forget to replace your homemade sachets once a year to keep them at their peak performance. If you prefer an odorless method of preserving your seasonal clothes, make sure to store them in an airtight, sealed container. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.